Today, managing a team of service technicians or field force effectively is the most operationally complex task. It involves a significant amount of time and precision to keep track of all the unpredictable changes. Salesforce, the world's #1 CRM provider, has made field service workers' life easier and simpler by launching Field Service Lightning, a mobile-friendly field service hub. FSL is getting so popular day by day due to the advantage and features it offers when it comes to streamlining business processes. Let me share with you the benefits of Salesforce Field Service for your business. Create work orders easily and quickly. You can create and manage work orders for field service operations and view knowledge articles and track SLA compliance with achieved milestones. Optimize schedules and assign jobs. You can seamlessly book appointments from the Service Console or customer community. With intelligent scheduling, jobs are automatically assigned to the right resource based on time, skill, location. Increase time fixed rate with Einstein AI. Using Einstein Vision for image classification, you can prescribe the right setup, steps for technicians to deliver faster, smarter service. Make smarter decisions. Use field service analytics to give your managers and dispatchers easy real-time visibility into operational performance and KPIs. Let's now take a deep dive into the latest features of Salesforce Field Service. The first feature is Dynamic Priority. It ensures that the entire system is designed to solve the customer's requirement on priority basis. Dynamic priority functions on service levels agreement will automatically change the priority level of work orders for field service agents. Another vital feature is Einstein Recommendation Builder. It enables the organization to create suitable recommendations for workers. Einstein Recommendation Builder scans past work orders from similar jobs and provides intelligent recommendations across business functions and industry verticals. Asset 360 seamlessly manages the company resource and keep them informed about the warranty details, service obligations, and equipment installed. Appointment Assistant in Salesforce Field Service creates automated alerts and notifications to update customers about the technician's estimated arrival time. This innovative feature uses live status updates and GPS information for informing customers about their service status. As a part of the Salesforce Service Cloud Suite, Salesforce Field Service intends to provide real-time collaborations and deliver speedy and efficient on-site service. Do you want to enhance business productivity and boost up the effectiveness of your field service workers? Get in touch with our top-notch field service experts to make the most of the Salesforce Field Service implementations. Contact Cloud Energy now.